Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 17, Demonetization in India. Let's begin with the reading portion. It says that the Indian government announced the demonetization of all rupees 500 and 1000 banknotes on November 8, 2016. On 16 January 1978, the President of India, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, he passed an ordinance for demonetization of bank notes. What is basically demonetization? Let's first read it. Demonetization means an act of stripping the legal tender status of currency units. It involves the withdrawal of the current forms of the money from being circulated. Usually they are replaced with new notes or coins. तो demonetization क्या है? Demonetization एक ऐसा एक्ट है जिसमें हम एक लीडर टेंडर स्टेटस जो है पास ऑन करते हैं करेंसी का, और इसमें क्या होता है, जो करंट फॉर्म ऑफ करेंसी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस करेंसी को विड्रॉ कर लिया जाता है, वापस ले लिया जाता है पब्लिक से और सर्कुलेट करी जाती है उसकी बजाय कोई और करेंसी, यानी कि न्यू नोट्स या फिर न्यू कॉइन्स. वाई डू वी नीड डीमोनेटाइजेशन? हमें इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है? डीमोनेटाइजेशन हेल्प्स अस टू रिमूव काउंटरफीट नोट्स from the markets, formalize the informal economy and fighting black money. Now there are certain disadvantages also of demonetization. First is incurs costs from printing new banknotes and minting of coins. Second, may not entirely reduce the criminal activity. And the third one is it can trigger the chaos among the citizens. अगर आपको याद होगा, जब नवंबर 8, 2016 में PM मोदी उन्होंने जब डीमोनेटाइजेशन को अनाउंस किया था, जब 500 रुपीज़ और 1000 रुपीज़ के बैंक नोट्स को वापस लिया गया था, तो सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रिगर क्या हुआ था? सिटीजन्स में क्योस. बहुत लंबी लंबी लाइनें लगी रहती थी बैंक में, लोग परेशान थे अपने रुपयों को बदलवाने के लिए, नोटों को बदलवाने के लिए. दूसरी चीज़ वो कह रहे हैं डीमोनेटाइजेशन की डिसएडवांटेज जो है कि इससे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जितनी भी क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी है वो कम हो जाए. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. तीसरा जो नुकसान हुआ है वो ये है, न्यू बैंक नोट्स को और कॉइन्स को बनाने के लिए बहुत सारा फंड लगता है. सो दीज आर द 3 disadvantages of the demonetization. Next, they are giving an example also. A recent example is demonetization in 2016 when the government announced the discontinuation of all rupees 500 and rupees 1000 bank notes. When the demonetization was announced, there was shortage of cash across the country. लोगों के पास तो भर भर के पैसा था. जब उन्होंने उस पैसे को बैंक में वापस देने की कोशिश करी तो हमारी गवर्नमेंट रेडी नहीं थी और उनके पास कैश नहीं था अवेलेबल, जिसकी वजह से पब्लिक ने बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को झेला. As people scrambled to exchange their existing bank notes, it led to disruptions to the economy, reducing India's industrial production and hindering its GDP growth rate. In the quiz time, we have here certain fill in the blanks. We will read them and then fill them. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first fill in the blank given in the quiz time is demonetization helps us to remove counterfeit notes from the market. So the answer is counterfeit. Then second, Dash was the President of India in the years 1978. Who was the President in the year 1978? Yes, the President was Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Then next is the third one, money earned through illegal activity is called as dash, and that is, it is known as black money. Fourth is dash was the President of India in the year 2016, and the answer is Pranab Mukherjee. So with this we have completed the quiz time. Moving on to the your answer please for the children. The question for you here, children, is do you know on which date the Government of India announced the demonetization? Write the answer here in the book itself. Let's now read the quick fact. The quick fact says that banknotes of 1000 and higher denominations were in circulation prior to January 1946. High denomination notes including 1000 and 5000 and 10,000 were first demonetized in January 1946 and again in the year 1978. The rupee 1000 note was reintroduced in November 2000 and was later demonetized in November 2016. Rupee 5000 and 10,000 notes, however, were never reissued after the year 1978. 1978 के बाद कभी भी 5000 और 10,000 rupees कभी भी issue नहीं किए गए. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.